Okay, today we are going to have a practice about makabansa. Quiz B. Okay? Number 1. This is a family where both parents work together in raising their children. A. Two-parent family. B. Single-parent family. C. Extended family. D. Childless family. Okay? This is family that includes not just the parents and children, but also other relatives such as grandparents, like lolo and lola, or uncles, tito and aunts or tita. A. Two-parent. What is your answer?
Wait. See, extended family. That's what I said.
Okay. Louder your voice, ha? This is a type of, but do not shout. This is a type of family where only one parent is responsible for raising the children. A. Two-parent family. B. Single-parent family. C. Extended family. D. Childless family.
B. Single-parent family.
Okay. This is a type of family without children. A. Two-parent family. B. Single-parent family. C. Extended family. D. Childless family.
D. Childless family.
5. Every child belongs to...
Pause. Mommy.
5. Every child belongs to A. Group. B. Family. C. Society.
B. Family.
Okay? Blank refers to the task or responsibilities expected from each member of a family.
B. Roles.
Okay? 7. Identify which family member typically performs the task. Fixing broken household items. A. Mother. B. Father. C. Child. D. Grandparents.
B. Father.
Okay? Number 8. Identify which family member typically performs the task preparing and cooking food. A. Mother. B. Father. C. Child. D. Grandparents.
A. Mother.
Number 9. Identify which family member typically performs the task helping
Where are they saying that?
helping with cleaning the house. A. Mother. B. Father. C. Child. D. Grand. Okay. Fence in front of the house.
C. Children.
Helping wash the dishes.
C. Child.
Work to provide for the family's needs.
A. Parents.
Obey the instructions of older members of the family to be a good citizens. What?
B. Children.
Study well and do the homeworks.
B. Children.
Help with household chores like tidying up toys, like that. A. Parents. B. Children. Where are you?
B. Children.
Ensure the safety of the family.
A. Parents.
Provide the family with nutritious foods.
A. Parents.
Show respect to older members of the family.
B. Children.
Take the lead in household chores. Take the lead in household chores.
A. Parents.
Provide the basic needs of the family.
Wait. We need to pee.
Provide the basic needs of the family.
A. Parents.
Guide family members in developing good manners and behavior.
A. Parents.
Study well.
B. Children.
Help with household chores such as much as possible. A. Parents. B. Children.
Wait.
Help.
Wait. I have to seek proper views first.
Okay. Help with household chores as much as possible. A. Parents. B. Children.
B. Children.
Respect and love older family members.
B. Children.
Listen to advice and follow the elders.
B. Children.
Provide proper education.
A. Parents.
Ensure safety of the family.
A. Parents.
Make a living to meet the family's needs.
Wait.
Oh,
I'm just thinking.
make a living to meet the family needs.
A. Parents.
What should you say when someone in your family does something good? A. Goodbye. B. Thank you. C. Sorry.
B. Thank you.
How can you show appreciation to your parents when they come home from work? A. Ignore them. B. Welcome them warmly. C. Run away.
B.
What, B?
Welcome them warmly.
What is appreciation?
Recognizing good deeds.
How do you show respect to family members? By shouting at them. B. By listening to them. C. By ignoring them.
B. By listening to them. Wait. I have to tell Daddy something.
Oh.
Please.
Opo. What can you do to make family members feel loved? Say bad words. B. Say thank you. C. Fight with them.
B. Say thank you.
True or false statements, ha? If the answer is correct, you choose true. If the answer is wrong, you choose false.
You thought statement.
False.
You said statement.
Number 1. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, behave.
I just have to sit on the pillow.
Oh, daming istasyon. Oh.
Welcome back to Makabansa.
Oh.
In here our pages is turning.
Okay.
Earlier you've seen the other video where we started from number 1
Oh.
to 35.
Oh.
Right?
Right.
We made a big excuse on that video.
Okay. So, shall we start na?
Yes.
Okay.
True or false
Statement.
statement?
Number 1. A family is made up of people who care for each other.
That seems like a bad. That seems like a question. Let's answer 2.
Parents are not part of a family.
False.
Siblings are brothers and sisters.
True.
Grandparents are the parents of your parents.
Wait.
Grandparents are the parents of your parents.
True.
Relatives includes aunts, uncles, and cousins.
Okay, I know it's that now.
What? What is your answer?
True.
True. True or false pa rin, ha? Statements, keep on, we're almost done na. Number 1, you should only appreciate your parents. True or false? You should only appreciate your parents.
False.
2, helping your family members is a way to show love.
True.
Love means to be kind and care for others. Love means to be kind and care for others. True or false? Number 3.
No. Wait. True.
You can show appreciation by saying, thank you.
True.
Valuing family members means treating them with respect.
True.
Oh, what about it? Do a check mark if the statement shows appreciation for a family close X if the X. Okay. Alam mo yan? You check if the statement shows appreciation for a family member and cross if it is not. Okay? Showing appreciation, affection. Sorry, I stand corrected. Showing affection to the younger siblings. Is it check or X?
Check.
Ignoring the arrival of parents from work.
X.
Giving a gift to a sibling on her birthday.
Check.
Being proud of your siblings' achievement. What? Answer, I need the answer.
Check.
Okay. Neglecting a sick family member.
X.
How do the following situation makes you feel? Oh, you draw, smile if it is what? Good? Or
If it shows affection.
affection. Okay, number 1. Noel feels jealous of his older brother's new toy, so he broke it. What? Sad. Lisa and Risa are twins. They love each other. They are always happy.
Happy.
O what?
Smile.
Okay, yan. Lando always helps with a household chores. He does not want to see his siblings doing the work alone.
That might be small.
Okay. Ella is saving the remaining money from her allowances. She will buy a nice dress for her mom, for her upcoming birthday. What attitude? Our face.
Dad,
Fiction.
read it.
No, what about the Ella's question?
What?
Oh, Ella is saving the remaining money from her
Smile.
Smile. Aid's dad helped him with his school project. To show his appreciation, Aid hugged his father.
Smile.
Okay. What word is this?
Obedience. Respect. Wait. Celebration.
No? Begin with letter R, oh.
Recognition.
Okay, remember, oh. That one.
Appreciation. Love. Recognize. No.
What?
Remembering. Gift giving. Wait. Gratitude. Nurture. Celebration.
Gratitude means
Being thankful for the good things we receive.
okay, makabansa, roles of family members. Kita mo nga yan doon sa camera. Yan. Oh, what word, 4 picks, 1 word.
Wait, cut muna. Bye-bye! See you in the next episode. 62 to 86.
Okay.
Hi! Welcome back here. Remember the 2 videos that we made? So, welcome back to this place and
Makabansa.
write the answers in in the comment below.
Okay.
Because we will answer 62 to 86. But maybe maybe 2 are not some examples of 86.
Okay.
Because we are going to answer. Watch first step and second step of the video.
Oh, wow.
But they're just cut.
Focus to the camera. Face to
And
the...
find and watch the whole video without the cutscenes.
Okay.
Because we will make a video with the whole video.
Oh.
And this scene will be, we will stick together all those 3 pieces. But it will be a great time to make this video. So, like
To
in
the
the
camera.
comments and subscribe. Because if you subscribe, join our channel and you'll see lots of videos that we create.
Okay. Okay. 4 pics, 1 word. What picture is
Family.
that? Oh, family. Very good. What is a family?
Read, Samuel.
Read.
A family is a group of people who love and care for
What?
each other. Families can be big or small.
Oh.
Mother, dad.
Oh. Oh. Doon ka na. Sige, tuloy.
The father is the male parent in the family. He helps take care of the family, the children. Oh, I forgot that.
Oh.
It supports the family.
Oh.
Mother, mom. The mother is a female parent in the family. She loves and cares for the children and helps with many things in the family. Brother. A brother is a boy or man who shares the same parents as you. He can be younger or older.
Then,
You. Sister. A sister is a girl or woman who share the same parents as you.
Oh. She can be.
Younger or older than you.
Okay.
Grandfather. A grandpa is a short word or for grandfather, who is the father of your mom or dad. He is usually older and enjoys sharing sports or wisdom. Grandma. It is a short word for grandmother, who is the father of your mom or dad. She's usually older and loves to spend time with you, her grandchildren. Family activities.
What?
Do that family activities with your families and any kind of family members.
Oh.
So there. Reading a book, playing together, helping with cooking. Write true if the statement is correct and false if not.
Oh. What?
If a parent helps take care of the family,
Oh.
it's actually true. It's false for that word.
Oh. What's that?
Because the right word is a sibling is part of the family. But the answer is a sibling is not part of the family.
Which
Write
is?
the comments and answer those pictures.
Okay. Next.
A grandparent can help with homework. It's true because my grandparent is helping me.
Hi. Oh.
Cut. Welcome back.
Oh.
Seen the 62 to 75.
Oh.
Now 75 to 86.
Okay.
Join our presentation in the beautiful and lovely videos of our own.
Okay. Okay.
Even our presentation of educational videos,
Okay.
such as the astronaut,
Oh.
as the space and the human body parts, and even
Oh,
the world map.
okay.
So don't forget to buy those. It will educate your son or children,
Wow.
and then join and then make exams for your children so that you can be a tutor like my mom said.
Thank you.
Next on the video.
Okay. A brother, okay, please proceed. A brother or sister is not a family member. What?
Nothing.
Oh. A brother or sister is not a family member.
False.
Okay. A family can be a cousin.
True.
A family can be an uncle,
True.
an auntie.
True. Because it's extended family, right?
Oh, wow. That's very good. Okay. The blank is made. Natawa ko kay Sam. Okay, can you proceed? The blank is.
A male parent in the family, he helps take care of the children and supports the family. It's the father.
Wow.
Write in the comments before I answer.
Okay. Proceed, please.
A blank is a boy or man who shares the same parents as you. He can be younger or older than you. What's that? It's a brother.
Wow.
79.
Oh,
Almost at 80.
yeah.
Blank, who is the mother of your mom
Excuse
or
me.
dad?
Oh.
She is usually older and loves to spend time with her grandchildren. Grandmother.
Okay.
More.
Oh, yeah, done.
More.
Blank.
A blank is a girl or woman who shares the same parents as you. She can be younger or older than you. It's a girl. It's a sister.
Okay.
82.
Blank.
Blank is the father of your mom or dad. He usually enjoys sharing stories or his wisdom.
Ano? What? Oh, what is the answer?
We drink water somewhere.
82. Yes, I just have to put that.
Oh, drink that. Okay. Blank is the father of your mom or dad. He is usually older and enjoys sharing stories or wisdom.
Grandfather.
Very good.
The
Blank?
blank is a female parent in the family. She loves and cares for the children and helps with many things in the family.
Oh, is she?
Mother.
Wow. A blank is a group of people who love and take care of each other.
Wait, I'm thinking. Family.
Wow.
Perfect, 100.
Oh.
Take a look at the video.
No more.
The questions got jammed out of this mysterious.
Say bye.
Survive! Thank you for watching, mga higala.
Closer doon
Kami
kay
Look again and we will fix the jam
Sam.
so that you'll see some questions on that page.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.
See you in another video.
Yo.